Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to learn about insects and life cycle of a butterfly. Okay, all insects lay eggs, right? The young ones of most insects look very different from adult. They undergo many changes before becoming an adult. This process is called metamorphosis. Okay, so all insects, what is our first point? All insects lay eggs. We are learning reproduction in animals, right? All insects lay eggs. Okay. The young one of most insects look very different from adult. Young one of insects look different from adult. Okay. They undergo many changes before becoming an adult. See, all insects lay eggs. After laying eggs, the young one of insects look very different from adult. The young one of insects undergo many changes to become an adult. So that changes we call it as metamorphosis. Okay. I'll tell you the definition. The cycle of many changes that a young one undergoes before becoming an adult is called metamorphosis. Okay. The young one of an insect undergo many changes. Many changes to become an adult, before becoming an adult. Before becoming an adult is called metamorphosis. Metamorphosis. Okay, we'll write the definition also. The cycle of many changes that a young one undergoes before becoming an adult. Before becoming an adult. It's called metamorphosis. Okay, this is the definition of metamorphosis. That may be insect, or that may be, we can say, frog or anything. Okay, the cycle of many changes that a young one undergoes before becoming an adult. जो young one छोटा baby रहता, okay, that baby will become an adult. How it will become an adult? That complete cycle we call it as metamorphosis. Okay. Insects such as butterfly and cockroach undergo metamorphosis. Insects such as butterfly and cockroach both will undergo metamorphosis. Insects such as butterfly and cockroach undergo metamorphosis. Okay. The young one of a butterfly looks very different from it, but the young one of a cockroach looks similar to it. Right? The young one of butterfly, it looks very different. Okay. See here, the young one of a butterfly is we can say pupa and cocoon. Okay. It is very different. But young one of a cockroach, we will see babies of a cockroach, right? Babies of a cockroaches look similar to their cockroach, right? So they are saying that only the young one of a butterfly is not similar to the adult, but young one of a cockroach is similar to the adult. Okay. Now today we are going to learn about life cycle of a butterfly. A butterfly goes through 4 stages in its life cycle before becoming an adult. What is the first stage of life cycle? See here in this diagram you can see this is a life cycle of a butterfly. What is the first? This is a butterfly, right? What is the first life cycle of a butterfly? Butterfly lay eggs. Butterfly gives eggs, right? Butterfly lay eggs. That is the first step. Butterfly lay eggs. Okay. We'll write. This is an adult butterfly, right? Adult butterfly. This, what do you call this one? Eggs. Okay. So adult butterfly lay eggs. Where they lay eggs? On leaves. Okay. Adult butterfly lay eggs on leaves. The egg hatch into tiny caterpillars or larvae. These eggs are hatches into tiny caterpillar, or we can say larva. Means these eggs will convert themselves into caterpillar or larva. Hatch themselves from these eggs. Some small caterpillars or some small larva will come out. So what will you call this one? Larva. Okay. The caterpillar keeps on eating leaves and becoming fat. Okay. After few days, it stops eating. What will happen? Initially, adult butterfly gives eggs. Then what will happen? The eggs will convert them into caterpillars. How? After few days, what will happen? These are thin caterpillars. These are very small and very thin like this. Okay. It is like this. After eating leaves, they are present on the leaves, right? So after eating leaves, they become fat. Okay. So that's why the structure of caterpillar is initially it was small insects. It is like this. Okay. After eating leaves, they become fat. First, we will write second point. The egg hatch into tiny caterpillars or larvae. Here in life cycle of hen, what we learn? The hen sit on the eggs. Hen will hatch the eggs, incubate them, right? But here no one will hatch. Butterfly will not hatch. If the butterfly lay eggs on the leaves itself, these eggs will convert themselves, hatch themselves into caterpillars. After so many days, they eat the leaves, right? They will eat leaves. Where they will get the food? They eat the leaves. From the after eating leaves, they become fat. Who? Caterpillars, or we will say larva. Okay. The eggs hatch into tiny caterpillars. In life cycle of hen, we learned that from the egg we'll get the cheek, right? So the egg breaks and cheeks will come out. Similarly here also the eggs breaks and caterpillars and larvae will come out. Initially they are very small. After eating leaves they become fat. Okay. Caterpillars or larvae. What will happen? The caterpillars keep on eating leaves. The caterpillars keep on eating leaf. And became fat. Okay, and becomes fat. After a few days, it stops eating and make a cocoon. What will happen? Here, see. The butterfly lay eggs. After that, after laying eggs, the egg hatches into tiny caterpillars or larvae. The caterpillars keep on eating leaves until they become fat. जब तक वो लोग मोटे नहीं हो जाते, जब तक वो लोग leaves खाते रहते. Okay, they feed on the leaves. Next one, what will happen? After eating leaves, what they will do, they'll build a cocoon. Cocoon means, see, this caterpillar look like this, right? It is like this. They build the tiny like structure, thread like structure inside around themselves. Okay, they build a tiny like structure, thread like structure, we can say. They build a thread like structure around itself. It is a meaning of a cocoon. Cocoon is a covering made by young insect to protect themselves while they change from a pupa into an adult. Okay, what do you say this one? This is a pupa stage. Okay, what will happen? They feed on the they sit on the leaves, they feed from the leaves till when they feed, until they become fat. After that, what will happen? From here to becoming an adult, from pupa to becoming an adult, they build a thread like structure, a cocoon around itself. This all caterpillars will build thread like structure around itself, okay, to protect themselves from other human beings and to चेंज फ्रॉम प्यूपा टू अडल्ट. वो लोग अपने अराउंड एक थ्रेड लाइक स्ट्रक्चर बनाते हैं, उसको आप बोलेंगे कोकून. ओके, दे बिल्ड थ्रेड लाइक स्ट्रक्चर, वी कॉल इट एज अ कोकून. And after that, what will happen? Why they will build this cocoon? Why they will build thread like structure around themselves? Because to protect themselves, to become from pupa to adult butterfly. Adult butterfly बने तक वो लोग अपने अतराफ एक थ्रेड लाइक स्ट्रक्चर बनाते हैं, उसको आप बोलेंगे कोकून. ओके, we will write after a few days it stop eating and make a cocoon around itself. After few days it stops eating and build a cocoon. Okay, cocoon is a thread like structure to protect themselves and to become from pupa to adult, and to while they change themselves from pupa to into an adult. Okay, after a few days it stop eating and make a cocoon and build a cocoon or make a cocoon around itself. Makes a cocoon. This is important word. Okay, around itself. Now it is called pupa. Here, see, in first figure we are seeing adult butterfly. These are the eggs, these are larva or caterpillar. When they hatch on the leaf, when they sit on the leaf, they feed from the leaf, they become fat. After that, what here you can able to see these caterpillars? No. Why? Means they are building thread like structure around themselves. This, what do you call this thread like structure? Cocoon. And what do you call this stage? Pupal stage. Okay, we'll write here. Suppose this is a caterpillar, right? They become very fat like this. Okay, they build a thread like structure. What do you call this one? Cocoon. Okay, next one. The pupa stays in the cocoon for a week and undergoes many changes. What will happen? The pupa, here this is a pupal stage, or we can say this is a larval stage. Okay, and the pupa stays in the cocoon for a week. The pupa stays in the cocoon for a week, and they undergo many changes. Okay, and undergoes many changes until they become an adult. Next one. The cocoon splits open and adult butterfly comes out. What will happen? I told you, right, from the caterpillars, from this caterpillar they build after becoming fat. After becoming fat, this caterpillar builds a thread-like structure around themselves. What do you call the thread-like structure? Cocoon. Okay. And the stage, what do you call the stage? Pupal stage. What will happen? After they building a thread-like structure, after 1 week, they undergo many changes, and from this thread-like structure, they split themselves into an adult. Means वो thread-like structure break हो जाएगा, they'll break that cocoon, and adult butterfly will come out from that. Okay. Cocoon splits open, or we can say break. An adult butterfly comes out. Adult butterfly. Okay. And the adult butterfly comes out. See, this life cycle of butterfly is most important. Once again, I am explaining you according to this diagram. See carefully. Initially, what will happen? Butterfly lay eggs. Where the butterfly lay eggs? On the leaves, right? After laying eggs, what will happen? The egg hatches into tiny caterpillar. From this eggs, small caterpillars will come out. एक egg के अंदर से एक caterpillar आएगा. Okay. What do you call, say, which stage it is? It is a larval stage. Or we can say it is a caterpillar or larva. We can say we are having two words here, larva or caterpillar. What do you call, say, what is the name of this stage? Larval stage. After this, what will happen? The caterpillar keeps on eating leaves. The caterpillar sit on the leaves, right? So butterfly will not come here, and butterfly will not fit to caterpillars. After sitting on the leaves, after feeding, till so many days, what will happen? Butterfly, these caterpillars eat leaves. Okay. When they eat leaves, कब तक वो लोग leaves खाएंगे? Until they become fat. जब तक वो लोग मोटे नहीं हो जाते, until they eat leaves. What will happen after a few days? It stops eating the leaves. This caterpillars stops eating the leaves and makes a cocoon. Cocoon is a thread-like structure. Young insects, this is a young insect, right? Butterfly. So cocoon is a thread-like structure. They build around themselves. These caterpillars are built around them. Thread-like structure से पूरा cover हो जाएगा वो. Okay, like this. They build a thread-like structure like this. So you can able to see here caterpillar? No, because they are covering thread-like structure around themselves. Why they are covering thread-like structure? Because to protect themselves and to become from pupal stage to adult butterfly. Okay. The pupa stays in the cocoon for a week, and what will happen? Pupa stays in the cocoon. What do you call this stage? Pupal stage, right? So here pupa stays in the, here you can able to see caterpillar? No, because they covered themselves with a thread-like structure. Cocoon से cover हो गया है यहाँ पे पूरा. Until these changes will be done for 1 week. After that, the cocoon split out. Here this is a cocoon, right? So this is a pupal stage. This is a cocoon thread-like structure. This will break out. This will split out, and from this adult butterfly will come out. Okay. Let's recall what we learned. Insects. Today we learned about two topics: insects and life cycle of a butterfly. All insects lay eggs, right? Young of insects look very different from adults. See here. These are the eggs, right? These are the caterpillars. It is similar to butterfly? No. This cocoon or pupa is similar to butterfly? No. It's look very different from the adult. Okay. They undergo many changes. So the young of insect, जो भी रहेगा young of insect, they undergo many changes before becoming an adult. It's called metamorphosis. Okay, metamorphosis. What is the definition of metamorphosis? The cycle of many changes that a young one undergoes before becoming an adult. जो भी young one रहेगा, adult बनने तक उसकी जो भी life cycle रहेंगी, what do you call the life cycle? Metamorphosis. What do you call that life cycle? Metamorphosis. The cycle of many changes that a young one undergoes before becoming an adult is called metamorphosis. Okay. Insects such as butterfly and cockroach is the same procedure for both of them, and they undergo which procedure, which process? What do you call the cycle of the butterfly and cockroach? Metamorphosis. Today we learn about butterfly, right? Life cycle of a butterfly. Butterfly lay eggs. What is the first step of butterfly? Butterfly lay eggs. Where they lay eggs? On the leaves. Okay. The eggs hatch into tiny caterpillars or larvae. From each of the egg, caterpillars will come out. From one egg, one caterpillar, second egg, so many caterpillars. From every egg, caterpillars will come out. What do you call this stage? Larval stage. Okay. Next, what will happen? The caterpillars build thread-like structure around themselves. What do you call that structure? Cocoon. What do you call that stage? Pupal stage. Okay, these are thread-like structure caterpillars build around themselves until they become an adult. Okay. The caterpillar keeps on eating leaves and become fat. What will happen when they are present on the leaves? They feed from the leaves. They keeps on eating the leaves until they become fat. Okay. After a few days, what will happen? They stop eating the leaves. After a few days, it stop eating and makes a cocoon around. What they stop eating? They stop eating the leaf and makes a cocoon around itself. After a few days, what will happen? This caterpillar stop eating until they become fat. After becoming fat, they stop eating the leaves and they build a cocoon around themselves. Cocoon is a thread-like structure they build around themselves. Why they will build? To protect themselves and to undergo from pupal stage to adult butterfly. Okay, the pupa stays in the cocoon for a week and undergoes many changes. The cocoon splits open. What will happen? The cocoon. What will happen here? This is a cocoon, right? This is a pupal stage. This cocoon breaks out. After a few days, what will happen? This cocoon breaks, and adult butterfly comes out from this cocoon. The cocoon splits open. A cocoon फट के open हो जाएगा. From that, the adult butterfly comes out. I hope you all understood this one. Jazakallahu khair. Allah Hafiz.